आप इधर लगाओ. First of all, tell me, how was the experience of dancing with two such gorgeous? I mean, I don't have words for them. So, how was the entire performance? He's speechless. He's already like. कितनी practices हुई थी इस डांस की?
5 to 6 times.
5 to 6 times.
ऐसा सच बोला नहीं जाता है.
Exactly. मुझे लगा मतलब डांस के लिए normally speaking two practices are enough है. ये 5 से 6 बार क्यों किया आप देख सकते
वो क्यों किया कि मैंने 3 बार सीखा है इसलिए वो फ्लॉप था.
Absolutely splendid. Did you all enjoy this? So let's hear it for the entire team. Thank you so much, Sukesh. You can take that. And my God, this is like the full dancing day. So yeah, y'all can all thoda take a breather. Yes, y'all can all sit down thoda. Okay. And now I think I need all the ladies. Yeah, all the ladies are like full power today. So can I have all the ladies? Can I have you first? Yes. The pretty lady with me over here, the birthday girl, as I'm going to call her for this very wonderful evening. I need all the ladies over here. So you give me names and I'll call them. So tell me 5 ladies over here.
I want Venkat's sister Nimka.
Come on. Nimka. Yes, Nimka ji. Come forward. Next.
I want Mike's sister Lalita. I want my bhabhi Jaya. I want my neighbor Neetu. I want my childhood friend Shonoti. शोनोती चल अपना कॉलेज का डेज याद करें. चल आजा आगे.
Okay, so can we have Shunoti? Come on. Where's Shunoti? Come forward. Okay, so 4 wonderful ladies. Okay, अभी उनका गाना था चिड़िया कन्हैया, है ना? तो बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी के बारे में बातें हो गई. तो छोटी सी ज्वेलरी मतलब लेडीज एंड ज्वेलरी ऑब्जेक्ट को हैंडल है, right? So you all have to make me a small jewelry. Okay, don't make it for me. I think then it will become very small. Okay, so we'll make a little big jewelry for all the handsome men of your life. Okay, for all the handsome men of your life. बेटा, husband, आपको जिसको भी गिफ्ट करना है उनके लिए, ठीक है? I'm going to give you one prop. It's going to be very quick. This is your prop. Okay, it's a newspaper, of course. Yes. You'll have to take one sheet and you'll have to make 9 लखा हार. एक 9 लखा हार बनाना है आपको, ठीक है? Yes, with one newspaper you'll have to make a 9 लखा हार. I'm sure the men of your family will gift you even more than that though. Yes, for one 9 लखा हार. Okay, so quickly just take in one sheet. And the men, the better halves of these 4 wonderful ladies over here, be ready, there's some special surprise for you as well. Okay? Quickly, and the next performance, I'm going to ask you all to get ready so that we can move forward with the next performance too. Okay? Yes, do we have it? And here's the photo. Okay? अभी ये 9 लखा हार बनाना ना बड़ा ही सिंपल काम है. You all can tear the paper. Neetu, you still don't have neighbor Neetu over here. Neighbor Neetu, N square. Can we have you here? Yes, neighbor Neetu, come forward. Okay. ओके, अब ये 9 अंक का हार कैसे बनाना है उसका थोड़ा सा मैं आपको डेमो दे रही हूँ।
ये बन गया, फट गया, you can't use this, you want क्या?
तो एक फटे बिना करते ही जाना।
विदाउट टेयरिंग द 9 अंक का हार, 9 अंक का हार टूट गया तो उसकी कोई कीमत नहीं होती ना। तो एक हार हमें बनाना है कंटिन्यूस विद द पेपर, ओके? वेट, टाइम लिमिट 30 seconds. 30, okay? 30 seconds, quickly, okay? Let's start on 1 and when you finish it, quickly अपने जाके बेटर हाफ को पहनाना है और उनको यहाँ पे लेके आना है, ओके? 3, 2, 1, म्यूजिक। एक ही हार बनना चाहिए। Come on, 15 seconds given extra. Come on, quickly. Use the entire paper. Can we have the better halves over here? Can we have the better halves over here? Come on, quickly. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, oh my. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to just join the ends. You'll have 2 ends, yes? Now you can tear this. Change partners if you wish. Your choice.
मुझे पिनाना है कम
Yes, okay. Yes, so ma'am, just join both the ends. और किसी भी एक को पहना के यहाँ पे लेके आइए। देखिए आपके एक बॉडी यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे वो रहे मर्द। लेके आइए इनको। Models, please stand here. आ जाइए। Oh my, this is perfect model. Come here. Okay? Yes? Please stand with your jewelry designer. Please stand along with your designer. Yes? दूसरा वाला पेपर छोड़ दीजिए. No problem. दूसरा वाला पेपर छोड़ दीजिए. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. 4th and 5th. आ जाइए. अरे किसी को भी उठा के लेके आइए. Beautiful. That's how the Naulakha har gets its beauty. Very nice. Come, man. And of course, that already has a special prize. मम्मी आ जाइए। आपने तो 9 लखा हार की पूरी शोभा बढ़ा दी।
बहू ने मम्मी जी को सास जी को हार पहनाकर कितना प्यार कर रही है।
Very sweet. Okay. Models. जो भी models है वो जरा आगे आ जाए. Okay. Quickly, we need a winner. Okay. So models come forward. Yes, I have to call you model. You're already looking like one today. Okay. Now what we're going to do is very simple. Okay. Ma'am, come here. No. मम्मी आप खड़े रहिए. हाँ जी. आपको इसको पकड़ के सिर्फ ऐसे खड़े रहिए, पर ऐसे उनकी तरफ देखते हुए. हाँ, perfect. Okay. Let's see the length of your 9 लखा हार. Very nice. आ जाइए. Let's see the length of your 9 लखा हार. 9 लखा हार का लेंथ देखना पड़ेगा. और खींचेगा? नहीं? Don't break it. And here. Okay. Can anyone tell me the winners' names? Okay, so
पता चल गया क्या मैंने घर पे प्रैक्टिस किया था करके।
And for that, ma'am, the prize goes to Shunati. Per. One special prize which you all have to give to all of them is absolutely come on, one big round of applause for all of them. Thank you so much. You all can take your Naulakha Har ka gift and go back. Okay? अपना Naulakha Har लेके जाइए. This wonderful evening and please welcome. Oh my God, this is going to take your heart. Please put your hands together one more time for the princess of the family along with Neeta and Sukesh again. Let's hear it for Ashmita, Neeta and Sukesh. For Ashmita, Neeta and Sukesh.
Dance. Come on, dance. Dance. निकोरी तेरा झुमका बड़ा किंकी टाइप दा निकोरी तेरा झुमका बड़ा फंकी टाइप दा कटीली तेरी अखियां जैसे नोट रुकेली रहदा निकोरी तेरा नखरा बड़ा हैंगी टाइप दा किसी हिट गाने पे जो हमारे मन का है दी फटी चल से ये दिल बन जाएगा शहजादा ऊंची वाली हील पहन कर dance पसंद की dance पसंद की dance पसंद की dance पसंद की निकोरी तेरा झुमका बड़ा किंकी
I think Sukesh has already enjoyed himself. We need birthday boy. We need you on the stage. Come on, let's hear it for the birthday boy. Let's hear it. Come on, everybody. Wing, cut, wing, cut. Do you want to see him perform? We've seen everybody perform over here. We need to see the birthday boy as well, right? इतनी बातें हो गई उनके डांस के बारे में, थोड़ा सा डांस देखना भी तो बनता है, हाँ कि ना? हाँ कि ना? हाँ कि ना?
Today is the day when I want to get entertained.
Yes.
What is the use of me entertaining others?
So today's
किथा पिंड दा शेरा
So, today's the day you shall get entertained totally. But this moment calls for Wing! Wing! Cut! अरे थोड़ा जोर से यार, come on! So this one totally calls for it. Let's hear it for. Come on now, put your hands together.
कांच की गुड़िया सुनो कि प्यार की गुड़िया सदके उस प्यार की सुनो किथा पिंड दा शेरा आया कस के बांध वो सहरा सदके उस यार
Come on, sir, let's see some more. incomplete. Don't you think so?
Yes.
Yes? So let's complete it by calling on the queen of the house. Come on. Let's have the Romeo and Juliet of this family. Yes? There's a very sweet performance that we have, done over here for y'all. But we need all of y'all to put both your hands up for them. I'm here to make y'all do an activity. So y'all can come and complain later. Not to me. Okay. Everybody, with both your hands up. अरे ये तालियां नहीं बजानी, वो बाद में हो जाएंगी. हाँ. Everyone, both your hands up. Now, one I'll shoot. With what? I'll decide later. Yes? Both your hands. पीछे वालों.